Welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a critical aspect of sterile manufacturing under the newly revised EU GMP Annex 1, implementing your contamination control strategy, or CCS. This is a cornerstone of the updated guidelines, and understanding how to approach it practically is essential for pharmaceutical manufacturers. Let's dive in. Annex 1 emphasizes a holistic approach to preventing contamination, and the CCS serves as the overarching framework for this. It's not just a document, it's a living system that encompasses all aspects of your facility, equipment, personnel, materials, and processes to minimize the risk of contamination. So, where do you begin? The foundation of any effective CCS is a robust risk assessment. This involves systematically identifying, assessing, and controlling potential sources of contamination. Consider all pathways for contamination ingress, including viable and non-viable particles, endotoxins, and pyrogens. Once you've identified the risks, the next step is to define your control measures. These are the actions you'll take to prevent or minimize contamination. This will involve a layered approach, including design and layout, ensuring appropriate segregation, unidirectional flow, and clean room classifications. Equipment and utilities, implementing effective cleaning, sterilization, and maintenance programs. Personnel, establishing strict gowning procedures, hygiene practices, and training programs. Raw materials, implementing rigorous supplier qualification and material testing. Process control, validating and continuously monitoring your manufacturing processes. Cleaning and disinfection, developing and validating effective cleaning and disinfection regimes. Your CCS isn't static. Continuous monitoring and review are crucial. This includes environmental monitoring, process monitoring, and trend analysis. Regularly evaluate your data to identify any deviations or potential issues and implement corrective and preventative actions. CAPE. Documentation is paramount in GMP, and the CCS is no exception. You need to clearly document your risk assessments, control measures, monitoring strategies, and review processes. This documentation should be comprehensive, up-to-date, and readily available for inspection. Finally, training is essential for all personnel involved in sterile manufacturing. Everyone needs to understand the principles of the CCS and their role in preventing contamination. Regular and effective training programs are vital to maintain a contamination-controlled environment. Here are some practical tips for implementing your CCS. Start with a cross-functional team. Involve experts from quality, manufacturing, engineering, and microbiology to ensure a holistic approach. Prioritize high-risk areas. Focus your initial efforts on the areas with the highest potential for contamination. Use a life cycle approach. The CCS should be developed, implemented, maintained, and continuously improved throughout the life cycle of your product and facility. Ensure senior management commitment. Strong support from management is crucial for the successful implementation of the CCS. Stay updated. Keep abreast of the latest regulatory expectations and industry best practices related to Annex 1. In conclusion, implementing a robust contamination control strategy according to EU GMP Annex 1 is a significant undertaking, but it's essential for ensuring the safety and quality of your sterile medicinal products. Remember that the CCS is a living document that requires ongoing attention, monitoring, and improvement. We hope this practical guide has provided you with valuable insights into implementing your CCS under EU GMP Annex 1. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more GMP-related content. Let us know in the comments if you have any specific questions about Annex 1 or the CCS. Thanks for watching.